he is employed by his employer, he is doing his job, that means he is the employee, that means employee of that, you can say, that sector or the company, and who is giving or providing the job known as employer. So he is getting salary or remuneration for the same. He is doing his job, whether it is in the agriculture field, farming field, whether it is IT sector, whether it is medical field. And the second one is no marketing, that means non-marketing field. There is no marketing, that means non-marketing field. The individual is, whatever he is earning, he consumes, or the consumption, it is for himself or herself. He is not paid for that. No remuneration for the same. He is not paid for that, or he is not an employee of any company or any concern. So here there is also a division of labor amongst these two categories. There is also division of labor. Usually men, they do work outside, and women, they do work the household things, that means work on household or domestic things. But at least in our country, this system, in India, this system, it is still practiced and it is going on. But the scenario, it has been changed a lot, that we have to admit. Nowadays, women are educating themselves. They are quite literate, at least some part. They are quite literate, and they are involved in many sectors. That means you can say that amongst these three sectors, and subsectors are there, in the medical line, in agriculture field, in IT sector, banking, tourism, teaching line, many more. So the scenario, it is changed and different, quite different from past days or the previous time. So now this is the category or marketing field or non-marketing field I have just discussed. Three sectors: primary, secondary, tertiary. After that, the segments are there: marketing and non-marketing. After that, division of work, that is female or women, usually they do look after their children, they do work on household matters, they have the responsibility to lead the family in a proper manner. And men, usually in India, in our country, men, they prefer to work outside and they earn money for that. That is called job, and remuneration also they are getting. But for household work, women, they are not getting anything. That means no wage is paid by anybody, because that is their own world, their house, their children, their family. No remuneration. So you can say that it is the non-marketing field. For that, they are not getting any salary or wage.